Hi, I'm John Bosaw with Rane. I'd like to talk to you a little bit about our HAL system and what's new. The HAL system is a DSP audio and control system that can be used in many different applications. We make 4 different models of it, and we use this little thing. Not only do we have audio in and out, we have this concept of what we call RADs. And what the RAD does is the RAD converts it from analog to digital right at the wall. So what you're passing down the Cat5 cable is digital audio, not analog audio. So no loss, less interference, etc. So what you have is the ability to put these RADs on the wall. We make 26 different styles of those. So you would pick which one you want as you were doing your design. And by the way, you can do the design by downloading our Halogen software, and you don't need any hardware to do that, okay? So we make various types of controllers as well. We make a simple volume control. We make a selector with volume. We also now have a touch screen control. This is called the DR6. The same way that you would design this is how you would also design for web control pages like iPad, iPhones, Nexus, anything that can get to the broadcast in the HAL. You don't need a server or a network or the internet to be able to broadcast from the HAL. The thing we're showing new for the NAMM show is this thing called a RAD26. The RAD26 incorporates several different items here into one. So first of all, what you have is a controller that's very similar to our DR3, plus volume control. You also have the ability to put commands on here. So when you hit it, it might open a screen, or it might turn off a light, as well as the audio control and path, maybe room combined, etc. This unit not only has the ability for the control surface, but it also has inputs and outputs for logic and relays. It has inputs, 2 inputs for mic line, or what we call line plus. It has logic outputs. It has line outputs, but this is also an amplifier. It can be an 8-watt mono or 2 4-watt stereo channels. So imagine using this in something like a cruise ship. So when they come to the wall, they're able to pick either the television volume or perhaps ship control, but it also has a 1/8-inch input for local audio. And not only is it local, but since you have it hooked to the HAL at the captain's quarters or wherever this HAL is located, you can also page from there into this room, and it would automatically duct the audio. So using this like in a school classroom or a cry room at a church in coordination with the rest of the HAL that's doing the rest of the other part of the system. So this is brand new. This is very inexpensive. All you need is one Cat5 cable run back to the HAL, and you can have as many of those as you want using our expanders that give you more of these ports. So that's what's new for the NAMM show.